with what we see on the market, okay? We can't say that the fractal will be at 10 a.m. every day or it will be at 11 p.m. every day. It doesn't make any sense, okay? So please stop asking this question. There is no specific number of fractals you can find a day, but you sit on the chart. If you see one of the models, one of the setups that we have explained before, you take a trade. You didn't see it, you don't trade. It's that simple, okay? So if we focus on this area right here on the gold chart for today, of course I was trading on the 30 seconds time frame. I'm mainly scalping right here. And the first trade was a long position from here. Try to look to this chart. What do you see exactly right here? Which model do you think that it exists right here? Of course, if you are using the indicator, you can check this area right here and then you open the indicator. On the 30 seconds we don't have any setup, so we go to the 15 seconds. And right here we have explained this in many videos where we can find the fractal. We have a structure in this way. So we'll find it right here at this area on the top of the indicator, okay? So right here, this was our fractal. Now, you see this triangle right here? Of course, it's the same triangle right here. Always we are repeating the same thing, okay? Always we are trading the same thing. There is nothing new, okay? Always just the same models. So, I scale my fractal. I fit the high with the high and the low with the low in this way. And from here, we are expecting that the price will go down to reach this level when we put the high with the high. And then we are expecting a long position. So from here, the price rejects. This was the first trade there. And this one right here was the fractal. As you can see right here, we have this range. It was the same range right here. And then we'll expect the strong push to the upside. Next, I was following the chart right here, looking for another trade, another possible setup right here. Okay, for the moment we don't have anything. This trade's still running right here because we have the extension there. For the moment we are on this pullback right here. Of course, right here we get another trade, and this is a very simple model. We have explained it many times before. When we have push to the upside and then a child wave and then a mother wave with the conditions of the trend lines, the fibs and the self-similarity. So right here what we get exactly, we get a TCW model. So we are able to take a short position from here to target the extension. So this is a TCW model right here. We use it and we scale it on the mother wave. If you focus right here, you have this triangle, the same one right there as a self-similarity. You put the high with the high, the low with the low, you get the entry and you get the take profit. And now, since the models are connected together, they are compounding. So right here, this is a TCW model and also a Y model. So how we'll scale this one? It's very simple. We'll just take this triangle right here and scale it on the mother wave, since this one is a child wave, so it will fit with the mother wave. So we just need to scale the fractal, the low with the low and the high with the high in this way. So from here we are expecting another time a long position from this level, and we are going to target this high. Okay, let's put it there. Okay, so right here another time the price did something very beautiful. The price gives us another opportunity to take a trade right here. Why? Because as you can see, another time what we get a Y model. So when we scale it on the chart right here, we put the low with the low and the high with the high. So what we have right here, we have this W in this way. Focus very well on the self-similarity always so you can understand which model you are trading. We have this setup right here, this W, and it was the same W right here. So we need to fit this with this right here. So when the price will drop to this level, I will have another time a long position from here. And from there, zero drawdown, targeting this high and already this high from the previous Y model. Okay, so as you can see, all the models are compounding. So this is on the same day, on the 1 minute time frame. We got the fractal there, we got the TCW model there, another Y model, another Y model. So 4 models only in less than, I think, right here from 3 p.m. sorry, to 6 p.m. So in under 3 hours, we got almost 5 or 6 fractals. So it's not a question how many fractals do I have a day where I will find the fractal based on the time. It's a question how I apply the rules, how I can react with the models that I get on the chart based on fractal geometry. So for me, it's not important or it's not essential to take all this trade on the same day. 1 or 2 trades is enough with a good lot size, with a good entry, with a good take profit and a good stop loss. And that's enough. I don't need to take 6, 7, 8 trades and be on the chart for the whole day. 1 hour, 2 hours of trading is enough the day. So that's it all for today. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Goodbye.